welcome back. So today, we're playing Wolf House again. We put my wolf on the person. What? Now, if you all know, I love Wolf Tales. And it has been my favorite game ever since I found it a long time ago. But I hadn't told you, but today, before I was recording this, I got a little wolf book. I want to show you what kind of breed he is. Because if you have gotten this wolf in this game, it'll be crazy. Alright. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Elizabeth. So, this little one, Clark, is a male. And look what he is, Midnight Wolf. This is a rare species in the game. If you're not interested in wolf tales, there's some other wolf games. I'm not really a fan of wolves. You're in, someone just finished. I want to listen to him. Oh my goodness. I skipped training, guys. And look how different he is. So this is, like I said, this is a really rare piece in the game. There's more games to this than anything. Now, if you want, I don't know if it's for your intent, but you guys can have hunting decks. What that means is that you guys can be in the VR club. You can have pups, take out on them, play as them. I think the most different one is not free, so I'm really bummed. Guys, look at this. I am actually really excited. So, if you're wondering what the VIP is, there's an old one and a silver one. But you can get more, and there will be no ads. You can expand your pack, hunt, and anything else, really. Now the golden one's this one's the most famous one I really want. But I might get this in the future. In the future episodes. So, you get to play as a cub or wolf pup, 200 meats, and so what this means is that you get to go hunting and at night, and some of you are wondering what something is. I have to explain that to you. If you are brand new, this up here is the daylight, like how we have daylight circle, like night and morning, same thing. It will slowly turn to night, and so it's 24 hours in the game. So, yeah. And this is, if you hold it, you can transform into an animal, which I don't really have an animal turn into now. Mom? What? That's what it'll look like when you do it, oh my goodness. Are you serious? Okay. This is out of this world. Now, this is a three-headed dog. If you're all familiar with Harry Potter, might want to check that out. But here it is. Common. Summon. These are really, really cool wolves. So, one of the wolves is the next one. And that's the one I have. That's the one I'm playing as. There's a gray wolf. I can get these pretty easily. Unfortunately, you have to. I only have 65. But, if I keep playing it for every single day, but, yeah. That's kind of a recap on this game. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Now there's different howls to this. Don't ask. Like, it depends what the wolf does. That was a really, really deep howl. See you next time on Wolf Runners.